Welcome back to the Crypto Report. I'm Blacksea, and I have another video for you guys. Today, I want to talk about Bitcoin because people are feeling awfully bearish, and there's some important things we need to talk about today. So without further ado, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel. Let's hop into this video. So guys, right now Bitcoin is trading at $62,805, down about 1.34% on the day. Bitcoin dominance rallying a little bit, ever so slightly, but overall, we are coming down, trading at 53.34%. When you exclude stablecoins, we're basically at 55.34%. We made our way up to that 57%, and we got rejected off of it, trading sideways to the downside. We're going to probably find a bottom here before Bitcoin decides to make that big move. And now, before I hop into that, I do want to say, guys, please go follow me on Instagram at 333Blacksea. If I get to 200 followers by the end of the day, so let's say in 24 hours from now, I will give $200 worth of crypto to one of you guys that follows me. So go check that out. Follow me. Let's get back into this. So Bitcoin dominance, like I said, has rejected off of the 57% level right here. And we've been kind of just finding our way back down. We're finding a bottom here around that 54% level. But I will say, I do think if Bitcoin continues to trade sideways around this range between 64,000, I will even say 61,000, up until about 67,000, I do expect dominance to continue to make its way down. But that being said, it's very important we talk about this as we get closer and closer to that big move to the upside. Time is going by, passing that halving event. There will come a time when Bitcoin needs to make its large move, whether that's to the upside or to the downside, most likely to the upside. When we see that play out, that's when you're going to see Bitcoin dominance really start to rally, and in my opinion, maybe even hit that 60% level, but definitely will probably come back to this 57%, especially if we're talking a couple month window, 2-month window of, say, a $30,000 price gain in that area around that. But it's important to be paying attention to Bitcoin dominance levels, guys, because, well, does it make more sense to be buying Bitcoin right now? Or does it make more sense to be buying altcoins? If you're a trader, that's a very important question. If you're a much more swing trader type or cyclical trader like myself, well, it's not that important right now, but it is important to know and get a general idea where these altcoins are going to be performing well and when that environment is going to be coming. So we can figure out, okay, now is the time to maybe even be selling some Bitcoin for some of these altcoins. But right now, like I said, guys, probably move to the downside, Bitcoin dominance a little bit, until Bitcoin makes its big debut and says, okay, guys, it's time for the bull market to really restart here. And then you're going to see some of that liquidity get absorbed by Bitcoin. But let's talk about that. Let's talk about where we're at right now on Bitcoin. Well, today there's been a lot of news coming out saying that Russia is banning Bitcoin. Basically all FUD. Basically all FUD. They're not banning Bitcoin. The legislation was basically written for crypto exchanges created in Russia. Okay? That being said, people will read titles and say, oh, well, Russia's banning Bitcoin. It's FUD. It's FUD. Russia's not banning Bitcoin. But people are being very bearish. Guys, I'm telling you right now, over on Twitter, I posted that right now is basically, I feel like where the sentiment is basically where FTX just collapsed at the bottom here. And we're trading at above $60,000. It's crazy. It's crazy. But that being said, there are some bearish signs playing out here on Market Cypher, the momentum wave. So close to closing below the 60 level, this white line right here. And usually when that does happen, it indicates some pain to come on the weekly time frame. That being said, there's been times where we did come below it, green dot, bounce back up, but we just barely came below it for about a week or so. That could happen again. That definitely could happen again. That being said, basically 6 days and 7 hours to see confirmation if we do come below this. But we are seeing money flow starting to curve down a little bit. Some bearish signs, guys. Some bearish signs. And that's okay. That's okay. I keep talking about this, that if Bitcoin does decide to make this little spillover here, put in a longer corrective move in, the bull market will be longer and higher. And honestly, if we do get our little bounce here and we start trading above $67,000, get some closing candles above 67K, well then, in my opinion, all-time highs is right around the corner and probably will be playing out towards the end of May. But that being said, guys, if that does happen, then in my opinion, the bull market is going to end much sooner than people expect. So time will tell. We're going to keep our very, very close eyes on the charts and where we're going here. Be looking at Market Cipher, and I'm going to be the first to tell you where I think we're going. Guys, if you like this type of content, please hit that like button. Subscribe to the channel right now. Thank you so much for all you guys subscribing, because we are getting more and more right now, and I love it. I love you guys supporting us. It means a lot to Crypto Kip and I. Check out some awesome referral links we have down below this video. There's a $4,100 sign-on bonus to Femex. All you got to do is click the link below the video in the description box. Deposit, trade a little bit, get a bunch of free money. That's all I got for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.